My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, today we will think of another value, dignity of labor. It impels us to develop respect for different types of work, making us realize that every individual must contribute his or her quota of work for the betterment of the society. We would no more discriminate between white-collar jobs and manual work and negate social elitism and false pride. Dignity of labor manifests itself through its characteristics of perseverance and diligence, which encourage us to enjoy and take pride in our work. Dignity of labor will prompt all of us to work for the nation with dedication and commitment and contribute our might in its march towards progress and growth. Dignity of labor tells us very clearly that work in all its forms is ennobling. The greatness of human beings lies in their ability to toil in any kind of work. Dignity of labor recognizes that everyone's work is important. It impels us to avoid class consciousness. Dignity of labor helps us to discover ourselves and gives satisfaction and peace, contributes to our growth and independence. St. Paul tells us about the body. It has two peculiarities. Every part of the body is very important. It is like this society. The two peculiarities of body are each part of the body has got a fixed place all over the world. If you look at human body, the nose, the ear, the eyes, everything in the same place. If it displaces, we say something wrong. So also, every part of the body has got a fixed work. The nose cannot do the work of the eyes. The eyes cannot do the work of the ear, so on. A fixed place and a fixed work. Every work is important. If you ask which is the most important part of the body, it's difficult to tell because every part of the body is important. We are all well aware of the disease diabetic in human body. It is the result of a small part of the body, pancreas, doesn't function. This shows the work of each, even the smallest part of the body is very important. It causes the dysfunctioning of the small part of the body causes a very great disease. Like that in society, there are so many different types of work. The President of India, the Prime Minister of India, the Chief Minister of each state, IAS officers, IFS officers, IPS officers, doctors, engineers, lawyers, teachers. Menial work like sweepers, peons, coolies. Everyone's work is very important. Suppose we have only doctors in a society. Who will do the work of the sweeper, the engineer, the teacher? Like the body, every work is important. Every person is important. Everyone must work in their position in order to make order in the society. Like that in the family, the father, the mother, the son, the daughter. Everyone has got a place in the house and everyone has got a work to do. If all of them do their proper work in the proper time, at the proper place, the house will be very happy. If anyone not discharge their duty properly, the whole happiness of the home will lose. I'll tell you an incident. When General Washington was made commander of American forces, he came one day to a group of soldiers who were working hard to dig a pit, while their officer stood aside, shouting at them. Washington asked him why he did not give them a helping hand. The officer shouted, "You should know, sir, that I am a corporal. I will never stoop to this kind of work." Washington said nothing but stepping in and started helping the men. When the work was over, he turned to the corporal and said, "When you have any more work like this, which you are not ready to do yourself, just ask for your General Washington, and I shall be only too eager to come." Every work is important, and everyone must help each other. If you look at our body, every part of the body is connected, and every part of the work is also connected. So also in the society, everyone is important, everyone is connected, and everyone, if they do their work properly, the society will go smoothly. The dignity of labor can be developed through helping in cleaning, washing, cooking, shopping, repairing, etc. Learning different work and picking up skills in cookery, laundry, carpenting, embroidery, plumbing, electrical works, respecting the helpers and other workers, taking up whole you learn jobs, caring for the sick and the aged, participating in community developments projects with an aim to eradicate social evils, prejudices and superstitions. Even if you are specialized in one job, you can at the same time learn and do so many other works that helps the society. So my dear brothers and sisters, happy with your job and accept the jobs of others. And every job is important, every work is important, and accept everyone as you are and as they are. Thank you. May God bless you.